Hello guys, this is awesome that DJI is gonna come up with another drone. There's a lot of rumors out there already what they think is a Mavic Air Part 2 version, but it's really interesting because we just got our Mavic Mini 3 to 4 months now. I mean, it's really weird, but I think it's cool, a Mavic Air would be interesting. Hopefully it's not gonna be as big as the Mavic Pro 2. And you guys can see here, I still have the Mavic Mini and I just use it as my display, as my dash, and I just go fly from my car. Well, like, it would be interesting, a little bit bigger than a Mavic Mini would be ideal, it would be awesome for that size. But let's go ahead and talk about this Mavic Air Part 2. All right, you guys can see the pictures already that it kind of looked like the Mavic Pro 2, but looked a little bit different, a little bit smaller. Even the motor, it has that vents on the bottom, and that thing right there, you guys can tell that it might be the Mavic Air version Part 2. But I'm gonna go and talk about it because it's a little bit weird now because this video went viral, and this is my thought and this is my experience with DJI drones. So the propellers is similar to Mavic Pro 2, but it's a little bit smaller. You guys can see that. And also they have obstacle avoidance from the bottom, from the back, I guess from the top, and also from the front, or probably also the side. So this drone is going to be like a 360, the same thing as a Mavic Pro 2. The flight time on this drone, I think it says around 30 minutes. It has rumors at 30 minutes, but I think DJI is going to put it there because when we had our first version of the Mavic Air, it was only what, 17 to 15, 16 minutes on the drone, even though it says 21 minutes. So I think DJI is going to increase that. It's going to be much quieter because of our first version of the Mavic Air is loud. I don't know if they're going to use AccuSync or a Wi-Fi. I mean, for this price, if DJI gonna sell this around $500 and up, it should be at least have an AccuSync put on there. And then I think that's the reason why the transmitter is a little bit bulky. I'm not really too happy of the transmitter. I think I'm pretty satisfied with the Mavic Mini transmitter or the Mavic Air, the Spark. But I don't know why they did that. The reason why they probably did that because the drone is much smaller, so they put more information on the transmitter for the AccuSync. Probably that's why it's a little bit bulky. My thought of it is, I think it's gonna be a night flyer because they have the bottom LED lights, and they're using infrared. And you can see with DJI drones, they're trying to use infrared so you can fly in any conditions. Because if you just have just a reminder of example, I'm gonna tell you guys the Skydio, like right now the Skydio can't fly what the Mavic Mini can do. Not even close. See, I'm flying through the clouds. It's a lot of lights, and the 4K camera on that obstacle avoidance on the Skydio ain't gonna work. So, and that's why that drone can't fly in this condition. But that's the reason why I still have my Mavic Mini, because I can fly any condition. I'm not really worried about obstacle avoidance, but hey, if DJI offered that on the Mavic Air, then yes. And of course, they're gonna come out with the Altair Robotic is coming out with the Evo Part 2 version. And with DJI, they always want to throw something smaller. And they're coming out with like the first version of Mavic Air when the Evo came out, and the next thing you notice, they came up with the Mavic Pro 2 to compete with that, and that's what they're doing here. So I think they're just lay low, and then they're gonna come out with the Mavic 3 of all these regulations going on right now. Because even myself right now, guys, I'm not even too happy with the remote ID. I think it's stupid. All of us just want to fly. We just want to see the sky. Look at this, man. It's beautiful. Just want to capture something different, and that's what we do. Be a creator, and that's what we want. And that's I paid money for the drone to give me shots like this. So yes, again, it's really interesting. I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm just giving you guys my thought of this new Mavic Air Part 2 version.